He failed once, then again, and again, until even he started believing maybe he was the problem. But one small choice made on his worst day changed everything. This is a story of Arun. Not a hero, not special, just an ordinary man with ordinary dreams. Arun grew up in a small town where big dreams were often laughed at. His family was kind, but poor. They believed in hard work, not hope. From a young age, Arun wanted more. Not money, not fame. He just wanted a life where he didn't feel small. He studied hard, failed his first exam. He tried again, failed again. Friends moved ahead. Relatives started asking questions. Why are you still trying? Maybe this is not for you. Arun smiled on the outside, but inside, something was breaking. After college, Arun applied for job after job. Rejection emails filled his inbox. Some didn't even reply. He worked small jobs to survive. Late nights, long days. Still, nothing seemed to move forward. Each failure felt heavier than the last, not because of the loss, but because of the doubt. Am I wasting my life? What if they're right? What if I never make it? One night, after another rejection, Arun sat alone in his room, lights off, phone in his hand. That familiar message glowing on the screen. We regret to inform you. He laughed softly, not because it was funny, but because crying felt useless now. That night, quitting felt peaceful. No more trying, no more hoping, no more failing. The next morning, Arun went for a walk. No plan, just walking. He passed a small park. An old man was trying to fix a broken bench. His hands shook, though it wouldn't stay in place. People walked past. No one stopped. Arun almost walked away too. Then something made him stop. He helped the old man fix the bench. They didn't talk much, just worked quietly. After a while, the old man smiled and said, "You didn't have to help." Arun replied, "I know, but I wanted to." The old man looked at him and said something Arun would never forget. Most people quit when life doesn't clap for them. But the ones who keep going, they don't wait for applause. Those words hit hard, because Arun knew he wasn't tired of failing. He was tired of not being seen. That evening, Arun stood in front of his mirror. He looked tired, but he also looked honest. He asked himself one question. If no one ever praises me, would I still try? The answer scared him, because it was yes. That night, Arun made one choice. Not a big promise. Not a dramatic decision. Just one simple rule. I will try one more time. But this time for myself. He stopped comparing. Stopped explaining. Stopped waiting for approval. He focused on learning, not winning. Improving, not proving. Days turned into weeks. Weeks into months. Failures still came. But they didn't stop him anymore. Then one day, something changed. Not overnight success. Not a miracle. Just one opportunity, one chance. And this time, Arun was ready. Arun didn't become famous. He didn't become rich overnight. But he found something more powerful. Confidence. The kind that doesn't need claps. The kind that grows quietly. Today, Arun still fails sometimes. But failure no longer controls him. Because he learned this truth. Giving up ends pain. But it also ends growth. Trying hurts, but quitting hurts forever. If you're listening to this and feeling tired, if life keeps saying no, if you feel invisible, remember this. You don't need to win today. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to make one choice. Not to quit, because sometimes one small choice on your worst day becomes the reason your life changes. So don't give up. Not yet. Your story isn't finished. If you want, I can next convert this into a shot-by-shot video timeline. Align it with background music beats. Adapt it for YouTube Shorts or Reels pacing.